When agents and producers are out selling new policies, critical coverage gaps get missed all the time, and that hurts. It lowers conversion rates and opens you up to E&O exposure. So we built something to fix that. It's called Policy Intelligence, an AI-powered analysis tool built right into InsurGrid that helps you catch what others miss. Let's take a look at how it works. The moment you pull up a client's policy, Policy Intelligence gets to work. It reads the declaration page and immediately starts flagging issues based on signals like the client's vehicle, their location, their profession, their household profile, and more. The first thing you'll see on the sales overview is the critical coverage gaps section. This is where the AI lays out the specific problems it found and the real risks your client is currently exposed to. And when you expand any one of them, you get 4 things. First, a risk to customer explanation. Plain language describing what could actually go wrong and why it matters financially. Second, a recommended solution. Exactly what needs to change and what coverage level to bring it to. Third, a conversation approach. A ready-to-use script you can bring directly into your call, so you're never fumbling for words when it counts. And fourth, a real-world example. A relatable scenario that makes the risk tangible and helps your client truly understand what's at stake. Directly below the coverage gaps is the revenue opportunities section. Think of this as the action layer. For every gap identified, you get a concrete recommendation tied to a real dollar value. So you're not just walking into a conversation knowing what's wrong. You're walking in with a fix, a talking point, and a number. Beyond coverage gaps, Policy Intelligence also surfaces cross-sell and upsell opportunities. Cross-sells are entirely new policies your client doesn't have yet, like renter's insurance or an umbrella policy. Upsells are about enhancing what they already have, higher limits, lower deductibles, better endorsements. And bundling policies can make the combined quote 10 to 15% cheaper than standalone coverage. That's a win for the client and a win for you. For newer agents especially, there's a sales script section. This generates personalized talking points based on who your prospect actually is, their recent moves, their profession, their life stage. Little details that show you did your homework and help you build a real connection before you even get to the pitch. Then there's the conversation guide, built from best practices across the industry's top-performing agents. It walks you through the entire client conversation, from your opening introduction, through presenting coverage gaps and recommended solutions, handling objections, and closing the deal. Each talking point is ready to copy and use on the spot. And rounding it all out, Policy Intelligence includes a protection assessment that gives you a full recommended coverage package for the client and a competitive edge analysis so you always know exactly how your offering stacks up against whoever they're currently with. If you want to win more leads, give your clients better coverage, and cut down on E&O exposure, sign up for InsurGrid and give Policy Intelligence a try today.